Hey guys, so we're here on a John Deere 450 Bulldozer with a digital display as well as the keypad system. And you can see the display right now, but just a few moments ago, we couldn't. It was really blacked out. We're going to show you what to do if it is blacked out. Now, this will not fix it, of course, if your display is damaged, but it will fix it if somehow the contrast got changed. First thing you're going to do is we have the unit running. We're going to go to menu. We're going to go down. Now I'm going to tell you how many downs and all that, just in case it's so blacked out you can't read it. Going down twice after we hit menu, and that'll get you to setup. Hit select, monitor, select, go down, 1, 2. That's contrast. Select. Now you can either go next to make it darker or back to make it brighter. We'll just show you what that looks like. This is what it looked like when we got on. Oh no, it's broke. It's not actually broke. Contrast just got turned down for some reason, somehow. If you go too far, it's just gonna get too bright. But anyway, we'll just go back, get it at a nice level there, and then you can just hit select the store. Do hope that video is beneficial, and hope you didn't get too scared that your display was broke. Now, if you're in the market for used heavy equipment, give us a shout or check out the website at i35equipment.com. You can always see our full and up-to-date inventory, consignment, heavy equipment. Hope you found the video beneficial and hope you have a great day.